Today we are going to learn about advanced Manus AI automation techniques. We'll explore the powerful features of Manus AI, master complex automation scripts, and understand how to apply AI-driven decision-making in real-world scenarios. By the end, you'll be equipped with the skills to tackle sophisticated automation challenges. Welcome to our deep dive into advanced Manus AI automation techniques. In this video, we'll explore the robust capabilities of Manus AI, focusing on mastering advanced features for automating complex tasks. Automation is a crucial component in today's tech-driven world, and understanding how to leverage these techniques can significantly enhance your professional skill set. We'll cover everything from building complex scripts to integrating Manus AI with IoT devices. By the end of this session, you'll have the knowledge and skills to implement sophisticated automation scenarios with Manus AI, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in your field.
In this block, we delve into the advanced features of Manus AI. Understanding these capabilities is essential for leveraging the full power of automation. Manus AI offers a range of sophisticated settings that allow users to customize their automation processes extensively. From configuring AI-driven triggers to setting up complex workflows, these features enable users to tailor the AI's behavior to fit specific needs. Integrating Manus AI with your existing systems can further enhance its functionality, making it a seamless part of your tech ecosystem. By mastering these advanced settings, you'll be able to harness AI's full potential, driving efficiency and innovation in your projects. Building complex automation scripts is a critical skill when working with Manus AI. In this segment, we'll explore the basics of script development, advancing to more sophisticated techniques. Creating effective scripts involves a deep understanding of the programming language and the logic behind automation processes. We'll discuss best practices for debugging and optimizing scripts to ensure they run efficiently. Testing and validation are also crucial steps, allowing you to verify that your scripts perform as expected in real-world conditions. By mastering these techniques, you'll be able to develop powerful automation scripts that can handle even the most complex tasks with ease. Automating multi-step processes with Manus AI can significantly streamline operations. The first step is identifying the individual steps within a process that can be automated. Once identified, you can design workflow automations that link these steps seamlessly, ensuring a smooth transition between each phase. It's important to manage dependencies carefully to avoid bottlenecks or errors. Consistency is key, so ensuring each automated process runs reliably every time is crucial. Real-time monitoring allows you to make adjustments as needed, ensuring the process remains efficient and effective. With these strategies, you'll be able to automate complex workflows, improving productivity and consistency across your operations.
AI-driven decision-making is a powerful feature of Manus AI, enabling systems to make informed decisions based on data. Understanding the basics of AI decision-making is crucial for incorporating it into your workflows. By doing so, you can enhance the accuracy of decision-making processes, reducing the likelihood of errors and improving overall efficiency. Balancing AI and human input is essential to ensure that decisions are both data-driven and contextually appropriate. We'll look at case studies where AI decision-making has been successfully implemented, providing insights into best practices and potential challenges. By leveraging AI-driven decision-making, you'll be able to optimize decision processes in your organization. Customizing Manus AI behavior using machine learning allows for a more tailored and responsive automation experience. We'll start by introducing machine learning concepts and how they can be integrated with Manus AI. Training AI models involves feeding them data to learn from, enabling them to make predictions and decisions based on patterns. Once trained, these models can be used to customize AI responses, making them more aligned with specific business objectives or processes. Monitoring AI behavior is crucial to ensure it remains accurate and effective, and refinements may be necessary as new data becomes available. This customization enhances the AI's ability to meet unique organizational needs. Integrating Manus AI with IoT devices opens up new possibilities for automation. Understanding the basics of IoT integration is the first step, focusing on how these devices connect and communicate with AI systems. Setting up device connectivity involves configuring network settings and ensuring secure data transmission. Once connected, Manus AI can automate the management of these devices, optimizing their operation based on data inputs. We'll explore use cases where AI and IoT integration has transformed industries, from smart homes to industrial automation. Finally, we'll discuss future trends in this field, highlighting the potential for even greater advancements in AI and IoT integration. Real-time data analysis is a game changer for enhancing automation with Manus AI. The ability to access and analyze data in real time allows for more responsive and adaptive automation processes. Setting up real-time data feeds involves configuring data sources and ensuring continuous data flow. Analyzing and interpreting this data is crucial to making informed automation decisions. By using real-time data, you can drive automation processes that adapt to changing conditions, improving efficiency and effectiveness. The benefits of real-time analytics are vast, providing insights that lead to better decision-making and more dynamic automation capabilities. This approach ensures your automation processes remain cutting-edge and highly responsive. Exploring case studies of successful advanced automation provides valuable insights into how Manus AI can be effectively implemented. We'll examine real-world examples where AI automation has transformed business operations, highlighting the challenges faced and the innovative solutions developed. These case studies demonstrate the significant impact automation can have on efficiency, productivity, and cost savings. Lessons learned from these implementations offer guidance for similar projects, emphasizing best practices and potential pitfalls to avoid. Finally, we'll discuss the future possibilities of advanced automation, inspiring viewers to consider how they might apply these techniques in their own organizations to drive success and innovation. As we conclude, let's summarize the key points covered in this video. We've explored advanced Manus AI features, learned to build complex automation scripts, and examined the integration of AI with IoT devices. Continuous learning is essential in this rapidly evolving field, and staying updated with future trends in AI automation will keep you ahead. We encourage you to implement these techniques and explore the resources available for further learning. By doing so, you'll be well equipped to harness the power of AI automation, driving innovation and efficiency in your professional endeavors. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of automation.